Minister of State for Railways Suresh Angadi passed away at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Delhi on September 23rd. He was hospitalized there earlier this month after he contracted COVID-19. He is survived by his mother, wife, and 2 daughters. The 65 years old BJP leader, a 4-time MP, tested positive on September 11th. A lawyer by training, he was first elected to the Lok Sabha in 2004 and won continuously for Belgavi constituency. He was passed away at 8 p.m. on September 23rd and was under medical care at AIIMS Trauma Center for the past 15 days. Earlier this month, the minister made the announcement of his diagnosis on Twitter. He had said, "I have tested COVID-19 positive. I am doing fine." In a tweet condoling the death, Prime Minister Narendra Modi described Mr. Angadi as an exceptional Karyakarta who worked hard to make the party strong in Karnataka. He was a dedicated MP and effective minister admired across the spectrum. His demise is saddening, Mr. Modi tweeted. Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa described him as a soft and gentle politician. Mr. Angadi was among the senior leaders of the BJP in North Karnataka. He was among the earliest Lingayat leaders from the non-Sangh Parivar background to join the Saffron Party in Karnataka. He was part of the team that organized L.K. Advani's Rath Yatra in the region. He had the image of a soft-spoken, non-controversial leader. Mr. Angadi has set up a series of colleges at Belgavi. Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant expressed grief over the passing away of Union Minister Suresh Angadi. Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant took to social media and said the following: "Deeply saddened by the untimely passing away of Union Minister of State for Railways Shri Suresh Angadi ji. My thoughts and prayers are with his family in this hour of grief. My deepest condolences." Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.